Starting around the 20th of April 2023, Bitcoin money especially is exchanging at $125.89 in term of its USD rate, with the value change of 0% in very most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive manner. BCH sort of has an in every way that really matters. All-out market cap of $2,438,412,066, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $132,405,786 in a truly significant manner. This in a real sense makes Bitcoin money in every way that really matters, positioning at 29 in the digital currency market, which in a real sense is very huge. In the event that you most certainly are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Bitcoin money cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Bitcoin money be somewhat worth in 2023 in a by and large significant manner? Is Bitcoin money a truly wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in a very significant manner? Will BCH cost most certainly outperform its record-breaking genuinely high in a significant manner? These most certainly are our Bitcoin money cost expectations for BCH's future in an unobtrusive manner. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023. As per the Bitcoin money gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the BCH cost in every practical sense is supposed to, all things considered, cross a normal value level of $168.82. The normal especially least value worth of Bitcoin money toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to sort of be $162.53, which especially is very critical. Besides, BCH can arrive at a truly greatest value level of $187.69. Showing how might BCH cost truly outperform its unsurpassed exceptionally high in an unpretentious manner. Bitcoin money value expectation April 2023. The cost of Bitcoin money in every way that really matters is in a real sense anticipated to for the most part reach at a by and large least worth of $120.70 in April 2023. The BCH cost could fundamentally arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme worth of $135.78, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $132.01 all through 2023 in a kind of significant manner. Bitcoin money value estimate May 2023. For May 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money is explicitly anticipated to really arrive at a typical cost of $135.97, while the coin could exchange between a sort of limit of $141.06 and a fundamentally least of $130.94, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money value estimate June 2023. The truly normal cost of Bitcoin money could generally go to $141.41 toward the finish of June 2023. Truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. BCH could be exchanging around a fundamentally greatest worth of $147.86, with the essentially least expected cost of $135.13. So Bitcoin money value figure May 2023. For May 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money most certainly is somewhat anticipated to especially arrive at an extremely normal cost of $135.97, while the coin could exchange between a limit $141.06 and a kind of least of $130.94 in a huge manner. Bitcoin money value expectation July 2023. The cost for Bitcoin money in July 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $140.63 and $153.52 in a sort of large manner, while the very normal exchanging cost ought to especially be around $145.65, or so they generally thought. Bitcoin money value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Bitcoin money cost is gauged to sort of arrive at a kind of the most minimal cost of $146.45. The BCH cost could truly arrive at an exceptionally most extreme cost of $159.35, with the in every practical sense normal expected cost around $151.48 in a by and large huge manner. Bitcoin money value expectation September 2023. Concerning September 2023, Bitcoin money cost by and large is figured to in every way that really matters arrive at an in a real sense the most reduced cost of $151, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The BCH cost could arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme cost of $165.41, with the truly normal expected cost around $156.02, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. BCH value conjecture October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Bitcoin money most certainly is supposed to fundamentally arrive at an in every practical sense least value worth of $154.12, essentially as opposed to mainstream thinking. The BCH cost could in every practical sense arrive at a truly most extreme cost of $173.21, with the typical cost around $159.15 in an especially huge manner. BCH value conjecture November 2023. In November 2023, the cost of Bitcoin money essentially is gauged to be at around a very least worth of $157.30, which truly demonstrates the way that the BCH cost could especially arrive at in every practical sense. Most extreme cost of $159.35, with the truly normal expected cost around $151.48 in a huge manner. The Bitcoin money value worth can in a real sense arrive at an especially limit of $179.57, with the in every way that really matters normal exchanging worth of $162.33 in USD, which explicitly is very critical. Bitcoin money value expectation December 2023. The cost of Bitcoin money really is in every practical sense anticipated to explicitly reach at an especially least worth of $162.53 in December 2023. Which most certainly is very critical. The BCH cost could arrive at a truly greatest worth of $187.69, with the truly normal exchanging worth of $168.82 all through 2023. Bitcoin money sort of past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been for the most part diminished by 0.01% in its certainly current worth in an essentially huge manner. In the event that we in a real sense look at the essentially current market cap of the BCH with yesterday, you can generally see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down incredibly. Bitcoin money truly is confronting in every practical sense difficult time jumping aboard with all things considered other crypto coins. The BCH in a real sense is down to nearly 3.46% in the absolute most recent 7 days, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. The coin sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining portions for essentially past in every practical sense. Hardly any days. The coin could really have areas of strength for fundamentally at the same time. We don't believe that it would a beneficial resource in for the most part present moment, or so they in a real sense thought. Inside the especially most recent 1 month, the cost of BCH sort of diminished by 6.922%, wiping out an astounding normal amount of $9.36 from its especially current worth in a significant manner. This unexpected down basically implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can truly be in all things considered great by and large purchase and open door for pretty fast interest in an unobtrusive manner. The 90 days cost change in every practical sense is around 23.25%, and the cost truly flowed from a sort of least extremely normal cost of $95.27 to sort of greatest normal cost of $98.48 in the sort of beyond 90 day, showing that assuming that we for the most part look at the ongoing business sector cap of the BCH with yesterday, you can sort of see that the market cap basically is likewise down, or so they sort of thought. In every practical sense, most recent 4 months Bitcoin money in every practical sense has shown a developing pattern. Sort of additional appearance how Bitcoin money value conjecture June 2023 the fundamentally